This video is going to explain how to find the PARCC released items. First, make sure you go to this website at the top, parccassessment.org/released items. When you get here, it's going to give you released items of both mathematics and English language arts. So you'll want to choose mathematics and the grade that you would like. So I'm going to pick grade 8, just as an example. And then as you go through, there are some different things that you can look at. There is a guide to understanding scoring. There are sample student responses, so this would give you an example of one constructed response problem and show you some sample answers as well as the rubrics. There are some answer keys in here for some of the item sets, so if you're looking at some of the released item problems and you're not really sure how they got the answer, this would be a good place to look. And then any of the ones that say item set are going to give you a group of PARCC released items that you can use on any type of assessment or classroom activity, anything like that. So if you look through it, it's got all kinds of different problems that you can use.